Hello student, Namaste Sabajanalai. So today I am going to teach you about the different types of cartilage present in the larynx of human. So we know in human there are altogether 9 cartilages. In human there are altogether 9 cartilage present in larynx, right? So among these 9 cartilages, 3 are unpaired, 3 are unpaired and 3 are paired. So 3 are paired means 6 and 3 total 9. So it means we have 6 different types of cartilage in our larynx. That is, among the 6, 3 are paired and 3 are unpaired, and among these 6, 3 are elastic cartilage, 3 are elastic cartilage and 3 are haline cartilage. So it is very much confusion to understand which is paired, which is unpaired, which is elastic and which is elastic. So let's get started. So firstly we will know about which 3 are paired and which 3 are unpaired. So see, unpaired, paired. So we have one trick for unpaired, that is ETC. We can say short form of etc., that is ETC, and for paired we have ACC. So E means epiglottis, T means thyroid, C means cricoid. So ETC, E means epiglottis, T means thyroid, C means cricoid, ETC. These 3 are unpaired cartilage, that is present as single, that is epiglottis 1, thyroid 1 and cricoid 1. Now for paired we have A arytenoid, C means cuneiform, and C means corniculate. These 3 are paired cartilage, that is present as a double, that is 2 in number, cuneiform 2 in number, corniculate 2 in number. So 6 and 3 total 9 cartilage. And also this cuneiform is called cartilage of Santorini. So it is now clear unpaired and paired. For unpaired we have ETC, epiglottis, thyroid, cricoid, and for paired we have ACC, arytenoid, cuneiform, corniculate. Now we will know about which 3 are haline and which 3 are elastic cartilage. So here haline cartilage and elastic cartilage. For haline cartilage we have one trick, that is CAT. Cat means Billy, we can say Billy. So for C there is cricoid, CRICOID, cricoid. A means arytenoid, and T means thyroid. Now elastic cartilage. So here is the trick, that is remaining all, that is remaining 3, that is epiglottis, cuneiform and corniculate. So here is about haline and elastic cartilage. For haline cartilage we have trick CAT, cricoid, arytenoid and thyroid, and For elastic cartilages, the remaining, we have 6 different types of cartilage. So remaining is 3: epiglottis, cuneiform, and corniculate. And if you get confused for C, like C has, starting from C, we have 3 words: cricoid, cuneiform, and corniculate. So not to be confused, remember that in my trick, if the trick has its own special meaning, that is, here the trick is cat. So cat means Billy, that is, it has its own special meaning. So C must be cricoid. Like here, when you see unpaired and paired, so we have for unpaired, ETC means etc. and ACC. So etc. has meaning, it is special meaning, but ACC is just only the trick, no any its meaning. So in etc. C must be cricoid. That is, I am saying that if in my trick, if the trick has its special meaning, then C must be cricoid. So this much for cartilage present in larynx of human beings. So it's little confusion, but I have cleared all the doubt. Now you will not get confused, because every point has its own trick. Now I have one special points for you. It will be bonus for you. In frog, voice box called laryngotracheal chamber, tracheal chamber. Like in human beings, voice box is called larynx. So in the same way, in frog, voice box is called laryngotracheal chamber. So in frog, laryngotracheal chamber has total of 3 cartilages. So for this cartilage, we have one trick, same as that of elastic cartilage, hyaline cartilage of human beings, that is CAT, cat. Again, cat has its special meaning. So C means cricoid, A means arytenoid, and T means thyroid, which is absent. So this is one special point, that is thyroid cartilage is absent in frog. This is special and important also. Thyroid cartilage is absent in frog. And we can see 3 cartilage. So cricoid in human beings, cricoid is unpaired. So in frog also cricoid is unpaired, and arytenoid is paired in frog also, as well as human. So the cartilage which is paired in human beings, that is arytenoid, ACC, is paired in frog also, and cricoid is unpaired. So 2 plus 1 3, total of 3 cartilage in frog. So we can say voice box, that is laryngotracheal chamber of frog, has 3 cartilage. We have one trick, CAT, cat. Cat has a special meaning, so cricoid, and cricoid is unpaired in human, so unpaired in frog also, and arytenoid is paired, so paired here also, and the thyroid is absent in frog, which is a special point and important also. So student, please take the screenshot of this figure, and if you understand and like my teaching style, so please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Take the screenshot, it is important. Thank you for the class.